There's a big difference between each type of oscillator in trading. Using the wrong one could cost you money. Today, I'll show you exactly how each type works, demonstrate 5 powerful TradingView oscillators that'll improve your trading setup. Momentum oscillators operate by measuring the speed and strength of price changes. They calculate the difference between current and past prices over a specific period, then normalize these differences onto a fixed scale. This helps to identify when price movement is accelerating or decelerating, and when assets might be overbought or oversold. While RSI is the most widely used momentum indicator, and we covered various RSI strategies in our previous video, today we'll examine a modified version of the stochastic oscillator. It's called Stochastic Heat Map by Violent. The indicator creates multiple layers of stochastic calculations at once, each analyzing a different time period. Instead of having to look at several separate stochastic indicators, it combines all these readings into one color-coded display. When you look at the heat map, red shows areas where multiple stochastic layers are detecting overbought conditions. Blue shows areas where multiple layers are detecting oversold conditions. The deeper or more intense the color, the stronger the consensus across different time periods. What makes this useful for trading is that you're seeing momentum confirmation across multiple time periods simultaneously. Rather than getting a signal from just one stochastic reading that might be a false move, you can see if that momentum is supported across different timeframes. This helps identify more reliable trading opportunities and filter out noise. The indicator also plots fast and slow lines based on the averaged readings, giving you additional confirmation of momentum direction and potential reversals. Volume-based oscillators incorporate trading volume data alongside price to provide deeper market insights. They analyze whether volume is supporting price movements by measuring the amount of trading activity during price increases versus decreases. This helps determine if price changes are backed by real buying-selling pressure or might be temporary. The Money Flow Index, MFI, by Ken Lashim is an indicator that combines both price and volume to measure buying and selling pressure. It looks at the average price of a stock, called the typical price, and multiplies it by the volume for each period. If the price goes up from the previous period, it's considered positive money flow, and if it goes down, it's negative money flow. The MFI then calculates the ratio of positive to negative money flow over a set period, giving a value between 0 and 100. When the MFI is above 80, it suggests the market is overbought, meaning a price drop might be coming. When it's below 20, it suggests the market is oversold, meaning the price could go up. If the MFI is around 50, it means there's no clear momentum. Traders use the MFI to spot when the market might reverse by looking for divergences, when the price moves in one direction, but the MFI doesn't follow. The color coding helps make it easier to see momentum changes, with green for moderate uptrend, lime for overbought, red for oversold, and yellow for moderate downtrend. In short, the MFI helps traders confirm trends and spot potential reversals by combining price and volume data. Volatility. Oscillators track how much prices are deviating from their average or expected range. They measure the size of price movements rather than their direction, helping to understand if a market is becoming more or less volatile. This information is crucial for setting appropriate position sizes and stop losses. The Relative Volatility Oscillator, RVO, by Trade Chartist, is a tool used to measure market volatility, especially useful for volatile assets on lower timeframes. It compares the volatility of the current bar to the volatility trend over a chosen period, using percentile rank to show market conditions and potential reversals. Instead of traditional volatility measures, the RVO looks at how volatility changes within specific periods, helping to predict momentum shifts. The RVO includes SOS triangles on the chart to signal when bullish or bearish trends might be reaching exhaustion. It also has volatility zones, ranging from -5 to 5, that are color-coded to show where the market might lose momentum or reverse direction. The indicator offers 3 color themes and lets you color price bars based on the trend direction identified by the oscillator. Trend strength. Oscillators focus on measuring how strongly a market is trending, regardless of direction. They typically analyze price behavior over multiple time periods to determine if a trend is gaining or losing momentum. This helps traders decide whether to trade with the trend or prepare for potential reversals. The Trend Strength Directional, TSD, by Ken Lashim helps measure market momentum and trend strength. It uses 2 main parts, the Blue Wave and the Money Flow Index, MFI. The blue wave is based on a smoothed average price, HLC3, and combines exponential moving averages with channel-based smoothing. It produces two outputs, WT1, which is the primary wave, and WT2, a smoothed version of WT1. The way these waves interact shows potential trend reversals or continuations. The MFI measures the relationship between volume and price changes, helping identify overbought and oversold conditions. The oscillator values are color-coded, with green showing positive momentum and red indicating negative momentum. Overall, the TSD indicator helps traders identify trend strength, momentum, and possible reversal points more effectively. Complex, combined oscillators merge multiple technical analysis concepts into single indicators. They often combine elements like moving averages, momentum, and volatility to provide more in-depth market analysis. These sophisticated tools can help filter out market noise and provide more reliable trading signals, though they typically require more experience to use effectively. The QQE Mod plus SSL Hybrid plus WADA ATAR Explosion Indicator by Kevin Mac 100 is based on the RSI and ATR smoothing techniques. It identifies the direction of the trend while factoring in market volatility. It generates buy or sell signals when the price crosses certain thresholds. The SSL Hybrid uses moving averages to detect trend reversals. It signals potential changes in market direction when key lines cross each other, triggering alerts when the price breaks these lines. The WADA ATAR Explosion focuses on volatility and momentum by analyzing strong price movements. It combines volume and volatility data to generate buy or sell signals when specific conditions are met, helping time trades more accurately. Together, these three indicators provide a comprehensive view of the market, combining trend following and volatility-based signals. Let me know if this video was helpful. While you're here, check out our recent video where I explain how these two advanced TradingView indicators work together in this effective strategy.